let's see this question. P be the point on this parabola such that, okay, so first draw the parabola and then we will check out what is that point P they are talking about. Okay, which is at a shortest distance from the center of this circle. Okay, so first of all, what is the center of the circle? You already know, minus G minus F. So what is it in this case? 2 and 8, that's my center. And what's the radius of the circle? Yeah, use your formula, G square plus F square minus C. C is 64 in our case. So very simple, we got the radius to be 2. Okay, so there is a center here. They are calling it S, which is 2 comma 8. Okay, and this point P is at the shortest distance from. Okay, so what do you know about the shortest distance? If this point is P, that is this line SP is perpendicular to the tangent, right? In this case, if it is shortest distance, that means SP is what? SP is kind of normal to this parabola. Okay, so what next? Let Q be the point on the circle. Okay, let's draw complete the circle as well. Okay, so the radius is 2. Okay, so Q is a point which is dividing the line SP internally. Okay, so this is the point. Now what they're talking about? They're talking about what is SP. Okay, SP means this distance they are looking for, and they're talking about normal, tangent, and so on. So what do I do? If I know the point P, then first we can anyways answer, right? So assume a coordinate for P point, the parametric form, 80 square and 280. A is 1 in our case, so this is the coordinate. Now you can always use calculus to figure out what's the minimum distance SP. Okay, but what we will do is we will just try to write equation of the normal here. Okay, so first, what is equation of the tangent? X upon t plus AT. Okay, A in our case is 1. So why did I write that? Because I know that the slope of the tangent is 1 by t. So what will be the slope of the normal then? Minus t. So let's write equation of the normal now. Okay, point form. So y minus y1. Okay, y1 what? 2t. Okay, I'm using this point to write. Okay, so point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m times, okay, x minus x1. That is equation of the normal. Let's call it something 1. Okay. Now what do I know? You know that S point is on the normal, right? So you can just insert that point S to figure out what is the T value. Okay, so let's do that. So Y value you're going to keep is 8. Okay, minus this. X value is how much? 2 minus T square. Oh, cubic equation. Okay, anyways, let's solve it. So is equal to minus 2T plus T cube. Okay, easy. This is cancelling. So T cube is 8. So T is 2. So this came out to be simple. So you got your point is 2 square, that's 4, and 2t is also 4. Okay, so get the distance now. What is SP? Very easy. Distance formula you can use. 2 minus 4 whole square plus 8 minus 4 whole square. Done. Okay, so this is 4, and how much is that? 4 square, that's 16. This is root 20, and root 20 is nothing but 2 root 5. Okay, so first option is a correct option. Now let's look at the other one. They are looking for the ratio. Let's say X SQ and QP. So can you tell me how much is SQ? Yeah, that's the radius, right? Radius of the circle, which we figured out it's 2. Okay, so that's 2. How much is QP? QP you can always write that it's SP minus SQ. Okay, so how much was SP? Just now we figured out that's 2 root 5. SQ is again the radius, so 2. So we end up in getting root 5 minus 1. Still we are not satisfied because the ratio is given in this form. So maybe we will multiply by the conjugate like this, root 5 plus 1 up and down. So we end up in getting root 5 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1, that's 4. Okay. Still this is wrong, right? Because they're saying it's is to 2. Okay, let's move on. The x-intercept of the normal. Okay, x-intercept as in like if you are just continuing that, then what is this coordinate? What is this distance basically? Okay, it's 6 they are saying. Is this it? Is this 6? What do I do? The normal, we have already done the work. Okay, normal equation we have already written. Okay, so this line equation we know. Just that what we have to do is put the y coordinate to be 0. So let's do that. Okay, so here I'm going to put y is 0 to get the x-intercept. Okay, so what do I get? Minus 2t. T we already figured out. That's 2. Okay, is equal to minus 2. T's value is 2. X minus 2 square, that's 4. Okay, how much are we getting now? I'm getting 2 is equal to x minus 4, or I'm getting x value to be 6. So done, check. Okay, so this is also the correct option. This is also a correct option. Next, the slope of the tangent to the circle at Q is half. Okay, so they are asking you what is slope of the tangent at Q. Don't you think that these two lines are parallel? Okay, at P if you draw a tangent and at Q you draw a tangent, they are parallel lines. Okay, so whatever is slope of this tangent is the same slope as here. Okay, and we said that slope of the tangent is 1 by t, right? T value we got to be half, sorry, 2. So mt is half. Okay, so this same slope, so even this should be correct, right? Okay, nice question. See you with another one.